TV.
Farm animal names for kids. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Guess animal name. It's a cow. Guess animal name. It's a duck. Guess animal name. It's a dog. Guess animal name. It's a hen. Guess animal name. It's a pig. Guess animal name. It's a horse. Guess animal name. It's a cat. Guess animal name. It's a sheep. Guess animal name. It's a turkey. Guess animal name. It's an ostrich. Guess animal name. It's a donkey. Guess animal name. It's a goat. Guess animal name. It's a bull. Guess animal name. It's a rabbit. Guess animal name. It's a rooster.